Elegant, balanced, classic. Meet the Taisho Sanke. Sanke is a white koi with red patterns and black accents.
Think of Sanke as a kohaku with black stepping stones.
Rule number 1. A true Sanke has no black markings on its head.
If the face has black, it is likely a Showa, not a Sanke.
Look at the fins. Sanke has tejima, delicate black stripes.
Avoid solid black blobs on the fins. That is for Showa.
The red, or he, should be deep and dominant on a tosai.
The black spots, or sumi, should be elegant like stepping stones.
On a tosai, the black might look gray. This is called sashi sumi.
Don't worry, that gray will rise and turn jet black.
The white base, or shiroji, must be snow white.
Avoid a yellow or cream-colored base. It ruins the contrast.
Sanke are active swimmers and need plenty of space.
Good nutrition helps the white stay clean and the red stay bright.
A large red pattern on the shoulder creates a powerful look.
The black spots should be balanced from left to right.
Hard water helps the black sumi develop faster. Soft water is better for the red color. Find a balance.
Skin luster is key. The fish should shine like porcelain.
Tosai size. Look for a thick body shape.
The edges of the red pattern should be sharp, not blurry. A Sanke with a round red spot on the head is called Marutan Sanke. Ideally, black spots look best on the white skin, not the red.
Black on red is called kasane sumi. It adds depth.
Avoid jari sumi, tiny, messy black specks.
Sanke is one of the big three of koi keeping.
Buying a Tosai Sanke is betting on the future.
A thick tail tube indicates the fish will grow huge.
Healthy eyes are clear and alert.
The red pattern should stop before the tail, leaving a white ojime.
For Tosai, more red is better. The black will come later.
Always inspect the Sanke in a blue bowl.
The blue background highlights the purity of the white skin.
The gill covers should be clean white or have a nice red pattern.
Sunlight brings out the brilliance of the hai and sumi.
Sanke looks mysterious and elegant in the shade.
Color food helps the red, but do not overfeed or the white will yellow.
Taisho Sanke has a single red spot and black body markings. Remember, stripes or tejima are for Sanke. Blobs are for Showa.
The flow of the pattern should be artistic.
One, two, three. A three-step or sandan pattern is very desirable on Sanke.
1, 2, 3, 4. A four-step or yondan pattern creates a sense of rhythm.
Inazuma patterns are rare and exciting. Sanke are natural foragers. Keep the bottom clean. Shadow sumi or kage adds a ghostly dimension.
Ginrin Sanke has sparkling scales like diamonds.
The sparkles should be aligned and bright.
Doitsu Sanke has smooth skin like a German carp. Definition between red, white, and black must be crisp.
Sanke are social and peaceful fish. Avoid skinny Sanke. Look for a torpedo shape.
Agility indicates good health and structure. Surface feeding allows you to enjoy the pattern.
A white nose is cute, but a clear nose is classic.
Kuchibeni means lipstick. Some love it, some do not. Barbels should be intact and healthy.
The pattern should look good even from behind.
A friendly face in the pond.
Finished sumi looks like wet lacquer paint.
Be patient. The best sumi takes time to rise.
Green water can enhance the red color. Regular checks keep your living jewel safe. Always quarantine new Sanke.
Veggies provide vitamins and entertainment.
A wide mouth means a good eater.
Scaled versus scaleless. Which do you prefer?
A clean white area before the tail is elegant.
Ideally, the red should stay on top, not wrap too far down.
A black spot on the white shoulder is very classic.
Vibrancy is the sign of a happy fish.
In winter, colors may fade slightly. They return in spring. Spring is the best time to buy Taisho Sanke. Sanke and kohaku are the foundation of any pond.
The belly should be pure white.
protect those delicate fins from sharp objects.
Great filtration equals great skin.
Can you see the champion within this small fish?
Strong swimmers develop better bodies. Rest is important for growth. Balance is more important than complexity.
Imagine them in a crystal clear stream.
No two Sanke are exactly alike.
The tricolor Sanke pops against the yellow Yamabuki.
Gills should be red and healthy.
The swimming motion should be effortless.
Sanke, Ash, the art of water. Surface feeding builds trust.
The head should be broad and symmetrical. Round tanks help prevent injuries.
As they age, the colors will thicken. White, red, black, the perfect trio.
Start your Gosanke collection with a Sanke.
Beauty from every angle.
Remember, no black on the head.
Create your masterpiece with Taisho Sanke.
If you love Sanke, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell for more koi guides. Sanke or Showa? Which do you prefer? Comment below.
This is the aquatic lie.
Happy koi keeping.